If you want the beekeeping experience to start it, to good idea also in the combination is chili plant. Chili plant is the produce for the good fruit. To function is the ingredient for food. And Indonesia, no chili, no food. But chili is the fundamental. That is very good ingredient. No chili, no food. And Indonesia actually. And around the world, I don't know. My chili plant. And look at this. My tetragonella also, and the pick up for the pollen in the chili flower. Why choose tetragonella? The price is cheap, but the tetragonella is also adaptive role in the new environment, new location. And compared with Trigona itama, also in the big English tea, this also is very expensive to price. If you young generation, this is a opportunity for the business in the future. Productivity of colony is the support for the bee pollen, and this is a brood cell, and then it is population in around the Asia, also in India Pacific, actually very much more in the around the country. Thus the produce for honey is not very quickly, and then also produce for the propolis is the good. Look at this queen.